So this is how you can cancel your Amazon Prime membership on PC. It's actually quite simple. Go to amazon.com and then go over to your account and lists and then simply tap on it. You will be met with your account settings. So as you can see, the Prime button is right here. Manage your membership, view benefits, and payment settings. So tap on that and here we are. As you can see, I don't have a Prime membership yet, so I'm going to go to another article and then show you what it's going to look like. If you go over to this page right here and you do have a Prime membership, this is what you're going to see. Now, onto the right, you're going to want to tap on Manage Membership, which has Update, Cancel, and more. And then once you tap on that, you can go ahead and tap on the yellow button at the bottom that says, I do not want my benefits. So simply tap on that button, and then right after that, you're going to find a button that says Cancel Subscription. So all you have to do is simply tap on that, and then you have finally canceled your Amazon Prime membership. Simple, right? Now you're just gonna have to wait for your due date to come, and then your Amazon Prime will no longer be there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.